Hey everyone, welcome to KTalk. I'm K, and it's Monday, May 26, 2025. We are going to dive into what happened with the major US stock indexes last week and check in Bitcoin's current market performance. The US stock market last week saw an expansion of its consolidation levels, moving from a 30-minute consolidation to a 4-hour level consolidations. This means the consolidation period will likely be expanded. Adding to this, new uncertainties regarding a U.S. tariff on Europe could hit the previous bullish trend in the U.S. stock market. Let's look at the Nasdaq. It closed lower last week, with two overlapping candlesticks indicating a consolidation chain. You can see this is two overlapping candlesticks. It means last week and the 2 weeks before is a consolidating chain. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that it pulled back to above the major bull bear line. This is the bull bear line. On the Friday, the market opened right on the bull bear line on the bull bear line, and that strong support caused a rebound, with the index close above it. This suggests there is still strong support at the bull bear line. We can also see that 4-hour level has expanded its consolidation range, meaning the 30-minute consolidation has grown into a 4-hour one. Let's look at the 30 minutes. The 30-minute chart, the expansion of the consolidation level is even clear. We can see last week a 30-minute consolidation and then pull back to the chosen zone and still go below the chosen selection zone and then expand another 30-minute consolidation. You can see there is three downward chaining 30-minute consolidation, and it's broken below the selection zone. This is not a good sign, as it suggests the 30-minute level has already started to decline, even though it closed above the bull bear line at 4-hour level. A small bounce of supports like this doesn't tell us much. I fear the bear might try to challenge that support line again. So let's look at the S&P. The situation here seems even worse. It has already shown a third downward 30-minute consolidation. We can see this is the first one and the high of the rebound of this rebound, and then second one last Friday, the third one. We can see there is 3 downward chain 30-minute consolidations. Okay, so it's very weak, and let's look at the 4-hour. At its 4-hour chart, It's even close below the pullback line. While the S&P was the strongest last week, it ended up falling more sharply than Nasdaq. It also very like to fill the gap in the short term. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Finally, the Dow Jones industry average, the Dow is the weakest of the three major indexes. On the 4-hour chart, it's already fully filled the previous gap. This is the previous gap, and last Friday it filled the previous gap. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Its 30-minute chart also showed the three downward 30-minute consolidations. Also, this is the first one, second one, and then last Friday is the third one. It's 30-minute, just like the S&P. It's safe to say the Dow has been weakest index of this rebound. It appears that with the tariff issue hitting up again, the US stock market isn't in a position to challenge a new high for now. So maybe the new high is impossible. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Let's turn to the Bitcoin. On the weekly chart, Bitcoin saw a surge followed by a pullback last week. Although it was an upward candle, it had a very long upper wick, and its support is very long upper wick, and its upper wick presents the all-time high. Will there be a new high from here? I think it's still possible, but if it truly hit a new high again, it might be time to seriously consider shorting Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, we can see it rebound after touching the pullback line. You can see at the weekend it touched the pullback line and then rebound. As initially thought, instead, it corrected first, find supports, and now pushing towards 113K again. I think it will go to 113K now. It just pulled back to find the pullback line support and then rebound again. Maybe this is the last wave to the new high, I think. It's the last chance to go long now, I think. Of course, I recommend a small position size only. It's okay to take a smaller last sip of shop. Just look at the 30 minutes. On the 30-minute chart, we can see a lot of details. It shows that it didn't directly hit the 113K before pulling back. Just pull back. That you can look the line I draw last week. It didn't hit the 113K and he pulled back directly, and then find the support and then rebound. Is maybe way to the new high, but maybe the last upward trend of this bull run, I think. So if you take the last sip of shop, you maybe take a smaller one. So this is what what my opinions on this Bitcoins. If you enjoy today's analysis, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to keep up with the market pulse every day with KTalk. Feel free to share your thought on the comment section below. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.